here is our Solle blends in action. You can diffuse them or you can add them to a carrier such as the Solflex AC cream. You can mix it in water for a spray. If you have a carrier oil, your olive oil, sunflower oil, you can add it in for that. You can add it into Epsom salt or sea salt and use that as a bath salt. You can add in some Solflex AC cream to that or some oil to that to make it like a slushy salt scrub, which is great exfoliation for the skin and the feet. You can also do a bowl of your Epsom salt and put the Solle Essential Oil blends in there based on the ones that you need or the ones that you like, and mix them up and use it as a smelling salt. So that would be your non-electric room diffuser. You can keep it in your drawer. You can pull it out and smell it in the middle of the day. You can sit it on the counter and it's like your little diffuser. And it's just so good to use it that way. And then you have your roll-ons. Again, they're pre-diluted, grab and go for your self-care. It's your simple oil system.